Hey, what's up, Tron holder? So this is very good news for Tron X holder. Absolutely, my friend. I have one shock news for Tron holder. Also, my friend. So let's get started. Price prediction. This is live price prediction, and also share my opinion in this video. So this is selling hold time, holding time, or buying time. So exactly, my friend. The video is going very brand. So please subscribe our YouTube channel before I get started this video. For more this type brand videos and latest news and updates of all cryptocurrencies, please click the subscribe button and press the like video, my friend. This time, if you can see here, my friend, in the last 7 days chart, I already opened it, and here as the change occurred, my friend. First of all, you can see here the current changes as 4.38%. They go up in the last 7 days. Very small change occurred, but this is good, my friend. So this is a positive, my friend. First of all, if you can see here, my friend, I draw a line A, my friend, and they touch the highest point. And second, my friend, I draw a lowest, my friend. You can see here the second line, they touch the lowest point, my friend. So this time, if you can see here, after a very, my friend, very small fails, they take again jump, my friend. And after this jump, they fails down. And you can see here, they're going off like a rocket in upcoming days completely. They take a small jump, but again, they fails down, my friend. You can see here. But this is the circulation, my friend, of all cryptocurrencies. They again moving up like a rocket. So it's mean definitely to upcoming time, my friend, they going up. You can see here at this point, you can see here, this is the resistance line also, my friend. So this is the resistance line, my friend. Okay, I draw a resistance line, my friend, this time. You can see here, after a resistance line, they easily cross it. So therefore the change occur and positive. So definitely, my friend, they are going, and the moon, the Tron as in the moon. So good news as that, my friend. So the Tron news has completely gone up in upcoming days. So please sell, please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. This is my opinion. This is, I advise you, my friend. I cannot tell you, my friend, to please invest in Tron, and please hold it or hold it. This is I just advise you. I share my opinion. Please, if you want to sell it or hold it, or my friends invest in any cryptocurrency, then research personally. This is good for you. So Tron X is moving up in upcoming days. Please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope the good time is coming soon. So thanks for watching Tron X holder. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Please like this video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.